good, everyone? Today we want to show you a delicious and refreshing dish for the summer, a cold berry soup. We begin with 200 grams strawberries, 100 gram blueberries, and 100 gram cherries. First, we remove the green parts of the strawberries and cut them in half. Then, we remove the stems and the seeds from the cherries as we show you. Put both aside. The blueberries we let as they are. We take 500 milliliters of milk and start boiling it in a pot. We also add a pinch of sugar to our milk. If your berries are not that sweet, you may take several tablespoons of sugar depending on your taste. When the milk is cooking, we take 2 tablespoons of starch and dilute them in a small amount of water. Make sure that the starch is fully diluted. While we stir our boiling milk, we add the starch to it. Keep boiling it for 1 minute and remove the heat. After that, we take half of our berries and add them to the milk. With an immersion blender, we blend the milk-berry mixture until it is totally homogeneous. Now we pass the soup through a sieve and let it cool out until it reaches room temperature. Then we cut the rest of the berries a bit smaller and also add them to our bowl. We cover the bowl with foil and place it in the fridge. Now we take 2 passion fruit and scratch out the inside. We give the jelly and seeds of the passion fruit in a small pot and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook this mixture now for 1 minute. We want to add this later as a topping. And since passion fruit contains a proteolytic enzyme which could denaturate the milk proteins, we have to heat this mixture. After that, put it aside for later usage. Then, we also want to make some Semolina dumplings, which will be an awesome addition to our soup. We again take 500 milliliters of milk and start boiling it in a pot. We also add 2 tablespoons of sugar to our milk. When the milk is boiling, we add 35 semolina to our milk. Instantly remove the heat and stir the mixture for a while. While the mixture is still hot, also add 1 whole egg to it and stir the mixture again. Let it cool out now. After 2 hours, when our soup is cold, we can serve it. Your refreshing cold berry soup is now ready. It is an awesome sweet dish for very hot summer days. We really hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it on your own. Thank you for sticking to us. We really appreciate your support. Have a nice day. Over and out.